Hi sweethearts, welcome back to my channel. So what we're going to do today is just a makeup review. I already did my eyebrows camera so that we can save a bit of time. So let's get into this makeup look. Your love is rated X. That means you're extraordinary. And today we're going to use this eyeshadow palette from Kangol. I've never seen anyone actually use a Kangol palette or a Kangol makeup product. I stand to be corrected, so if you have, please leave a link down below, or anyone's name that you've seen that they've used an eyeshadow, the Kangol eyeshadow palette. So it's very neutral, the colors, as you can see, very neutral, not too dramatic. Like it's going, the focus will not be on your eyes with this eyeshadow palette, but your eyes will definitely give, because I feel like there's a lot of shimmers in this eyeshadow palette. So yeah, this is actually my sister's. Thank you. So what we're going to do now, I just want to cover my crease, and as I said, there's not a lot of matte colors. I see like I think one, and it's very pale, not actually a color that I would use for transitioning, but we're just going to have to do with it. So what you need to do is dab the color into your eyelid, and then try and move it as you dab, and as you do so, you're going to come in circular motions. I feel like this color, it's more of a setting powder as compared to it having to be a transition color. I don't like to use shimmer for transition, so the only matte color in this eyeshadow palette. So the next color shade that I'm going to use is a dark brown. I feel like I need to use this one. Yeah, this one. So because it's a glitter, really, I'm not going to use a lot. I'm just going to tap it around my crease, not a lot, so that I can be able to move it around. So I'm back. I just had to blend it out. I blended it out of camera, and then I'm going to take a clean brush, and then I'm going to use this shimmery green over here, this one. I'm going to use it towards the end, but like from the middle towards the end, but not fully at the end. I want to make this a smoky kind of look. Because of the colors, I feel like I need to make it a bit smoky. Oh, this green is gorgeous. Gorgeous. So I'm just tapping the color onto my lid, just halfway there. The green has a bit of golden dust in it, so it shimmers. I think that's why it shimmers so much. Okay, so the next color that I'm going to use is this gold. Where is it? This one. This is the gold that I want to use. It's a bit orangish. I want to use a flat brush for that, and this Kangol palette came with this brush. So I'm going to use the other end of the brush. I've been using this one, so I'm going to use this other end of it. to put on the gold that I want close to the inner corner. Oh yes, I feel like it's being washed out by the light. I don't know, but yeah, this is how it looks. So now I'm going to go in with the last color, which is the black, this one, just to smoke out the colors a bit. And right there at the end, just tap 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 tap, and then try and smoke it out. So as you can see, I did the eyeshadows right under my eyes, so you can zoom in. Alright, under my eyes. So I feel like I need to add more of the dark black right at the end, because it has moved when I was using some foundation. So yeah, this is the final look of the eyes. It's a soft glam kind of look, which I love and enjoy. And let's finish up this makeup look and I'll be right back. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you guys like it. I like it very, very much. It's a soft kind of look. If you really like how this look came out, please give me a thumbs up. And if you enjoyed this video, please do subscribe. It's free and you get more videos from this. Liking and subscribing. Again, we're on the road to 500 subscribers. 500 subscribers. I'll be singing along, you know, when we get to 500. I need to find a song for it. You know, I'm not a musician or anything, but yeah. So please subscribe, please comment and tell me if you like this makeup look, this eyeshadow look. In fact, zoom in again for you, this eyeshadow look. And then if you want to recreate it, please don't forget to tag me on Instagram so I can see what you guys do. So yeah, I'll see you again in my next one. Bye bye. Bye bye. Peace.